Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. In this video you will learn to remove background from an image. So let's place the images. I have 3 images. Place the files. I am embedding all files one by one. Now start from this camera lens. I will cut out the lens of this camera image. So make a circle with L shortcut key. Adjust the circle like this. Select both images. Now right click and select make clipping mask option, this one, so we just cut out the lens from the image. Now place it here and take this one. Now we will cut out the heart shape from this image and remove the background with P shortcut key. Select pen tool and trace it like I am doing. After tracing it, select both and enter make clipping mask, and we just remove the background and cut out the heart like this. Now place this image aside and select this image. Now from this image we will cut out the Earth's image and remove the background by making a circle with L key. Adjust it like this. Select both images and make clipping mask, so we just remove the background of all 3 images. For further knowledge about Illustrator, subscribe the channel. Thanks.